Introducing Swann Smart Video Doorbell. It's a Wi-Fi connected video doorbell featuring HD video and two-way audio. It connects wirelessly. Simply log into your existing Wi-Fi network. It's wire-free and hassle-free. Easily recharge the built-in rechargeable battery or connect it to your existing doorbell's wiring so you don't need to recharge it. See visitors in real time and take advantage of two-way audio while you talk to visitors via the built-in microphone and speakers, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Most break-ins occur after a burglar knocks on the door to verify if there's anybody home. With the Smart Video Doorbell, you can make it appear as if you're home, deterring would-be intruders. You can see and speak with guests, even if you're at work or on the other side of the world and they can't see you. When you receive a package, you can simply speak to the delivery person and ask them to hide the package in a specific place or ask them to deliver it to the neighbors for safety. Record up to 30 rolling days of clips to the doorbell's built-in memory for free and easily play them back so you can use them later as evidence. There are no fees and no subscription plans ever. The Smart Video Doorbell incorporates a Swann True Detect heat and motion sensor, ensuring any warm activity with movement near the doorbell will be recorded, even if the doorbell isn't pressed. When activity is detected, you'll receive a push notification and be able to view video of the activity, even if it's dark outside, thanks to the built-in infrared LEDs. Built tough, it's certified for outdoor use with sturdy construction and anti-theft mounting. Expand your system with a Chime Unit and never miss a visitor. The unit plays a pleasant melody, just like a regular doorbell. It's wireless and runs on battery power, so you'll be able to move it about your property with you up to 65 feet or 20 meters. It's great for larger properties and multi-story buildings with large floor plans. Choose from 36 melodies to suit the season or your mood. Availability of retail configurations differs in various regions. Check the available configuration in your country. The Chime Unit is always available as an add-on accessory. Swann's cutting-edge Wi-Fi HD Smart Video Doorbell. It's worry-free home security from Swann, the world's #1 name in security made smarter.